Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A27, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to grab a cable, plug it into your computer, and later on we'll be using it to boot into the recovery mode. But the first thing you want to do is turn off your device. You can swipe down from the top of your screen, click on this power button, and select power off. Now when the device turns off, you can then grab this cable, plug it in, and unlike before, now we need to wait for the charging logo to show up and then actually show us the percentage at the bottom right here. If we try to access recovery mode right now, it actually will not boot into recovery mode. It would just boot up normally. Okay, so there we go, there it is. So once that is visible, we're going to hold power button and volume up at the same time. And here we are. There's our recovery mode. Now, if you have never been in recovery mode before, in this mode you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which volume button you press. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going over the single actual option we have in here, it's going to be the middle one, which is wipe data factory reset. This is the only actual option in here. The two other ones, the reboot system now and power off, are just two different ways of leaving this mode. Now this mode used to have dozens of options, but Samsung decided that having ownership of your property is not something that they want you to have. So therefore you can only reset it from here now. And also download mode no longer exists because, God forbid, you were able to flash this phone with a different software that didn't include Samsung. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, and this will bring me back into One UI. Anyway, we can also unplug the cable. It's only needed to boot us into recovery mode for no other reason than just to be annoying. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.